Getting the boost unavailable error on your Facebook page. Here's how to troubleshoot it properly. First, has your page been active for at least a week? Facebook requires this before allowing boost. Tell me below in the comments. Check your page status in Meta Business Suite. Restrictions or policy violations will block boosting. Verify your payment method. Expired card, failed payments prevent boosting. Update this in payment settings. Ensure your content follows Facebook's ads policies. Even organic posts need to meet these standards for boosting. Try boosting from a desktop. If the mobile app is not working, sometimes platform-specific glitches occur. Still stuck? Contact Meta support through business help. They can review your page specifically. Back to boosting. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.